Eat Beyond Global Holdings is a Canadian company that invests into other plant-based companies. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to introduce Eat Beyond and show why I think this company is an interesting investment for you. So stay tuned, we're about to get started. Eat Beyond is an investment issuer with a focus on plant-based meat technology companies. So basically Eat Beyond raises money from investors and then go out and look which target fits the best into their portfolio. So why do we buy Eat Beyond rather than those plant-based companies itself? The fact is that most of these companies are not publicly tradable at the moment because they are not listed at any exchange. One decisive point for an investment into Eat Beyond is because they get access to companies that are not public yet. So to sum up, you as an investor can participate in the early growth of those promising businesses by investing into Eat Beyond. So let's take a look into their current portfolio. Eat Beyond invested into the Very Good Food Company. At their IPO, Eat Beyond bought 200,000 shares at the price of 25 cents per share. At today's share price of 6.6 Canadian dollars, this equals an investment of 1.4 million into the Very Good Food Company. Very is a publicly traded company that operates in the plant-based food technology sector. Furthermore, Eat Beyond invested into Good Natured. This company creates eco-friendly home and business products, food packaging and takeout containers. As we can see, the focus of Eat Beyond are private companies. Probably the most exciting one at the moment is Eat Just Incorporation. Eat Just produces plant-based alternatives for eggs. This company is ready to go public soon and therefore could give Eat Beyond a lot of profit if the IPO is a success. Another interesting company is Turtle Tree Labs. This company is using a cell-based method to produce milk. Their goal is to reduce the need for dairy products from cow milk by replacing them with an environmental friendly alternative. If we take a look at Eat Beyond's balance sheet, we see that they hold around 3.3 million in current assets. Compared to their market cap, which is around 71 million, this is not a lot. So what are the goals of the company that justify this rating? I think it's because of their future plans, as you can see right here. Eat Beyond wants to invest into 15 to 20 key companies over the next 2 years. In doing so, they would like to achieve a minimum ownership of 5% each. So let's talk about the management team. They are key because the company is still very young and in that case we have to trust the management and its promises. Chairman of the board from Eat Beyond is Don Robinson. He was the CEO of Mars Incorporations before from 1983 until 2003. I think every one of you knows Mars, right? With his experience in the food industry, Don Robinson is definitely going to be a huge driving force for the success of this company. With Patrick Morris as CEO, they have an expert in raising funds for companies. Over the last 15 years, he was active in several interesting industries, which will certainly benefit Eat Beyond as well. The social trend of sustainability benefits Eat Beyond. More and more people are going from eating meat over to eating plant-based alternatives, which people see as a more sustainable and healthier route. I am not a health expert. This is why I do not give any advice whether meat is unhealthy or plant-based alternatives are healthier. What we all can agree on is that plant-based foods get more and more popular, especially in younger generations. Also with Joe Biden as new president of the United States, sustainable and eco-friendly solutions are increasingly being pursued. I think for the good of our planet, meat and dairy products are therefore avoided to a greater extent. Of course, there are also some downsides to the company. First of all, the management team owns only about 1% of the company, which is not ideal. Furthermore, they are not fully devoting their time to Eat Beyond. Some of them have management roles in other companies. Then also keep in mind that Eat Beyond are not making any revenues. It's all about taking stakes in private companies and profiting from their rapid growth. In the end, we take a look on Eat Beyond's chart. Since its IPO in November, the stock price has increased by around 325%. You can see that it is following its 20 days moving average, this yellow line here. So if the stock price comes close to this line, this would be an interesting entry point for an investment into Eat Beyond. To sum up, I think this is a company with a lot of potential for further growth. Besides that, with an investment in Eat Beyond, you support a company that is striving to make the world more sustainable. If you liked that video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.